usual. Any improvement? Okay, is that the new thing that you have learned? As you do the term now, what should I do? Talk. Do something. You say waiting. Talk now. Hello? Yeah, you salute. How am I going to understand this language now? At the part we... Hello? Cover that your mouth. It's not fine. I don't like it. Don't be opening it for me again, please. I don't like it. I don't like it. What insolence? What rubbish? What in oh my God, headache. Don't vex me this period. Rubbish. Can't give me responsibility, carry. I'm finding food for you. You want to chop me? I don't know that language. I'm not a mumu. Olodo. You better be intelligent. What is this? Are you demonic? Don't beat you. Do you eat? Chop it now. To some extent, I just feel like you're physically challenged. I don't know why God did not just make you complete, because it's Jesus Christ, it's so weird. It's so weird that you're using your leg to eat. Like, what did you do to God that He did not make you complete? Yeah, come and take it. Okay, they say I will teach you what to say. Your name is Chucky. What did I say? Chucky. 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 Take. Olodo uprising Parrot. Come and join our game. Come. Chucky, take. I'm helping your life now. When you have made it in life and you blow, they now be giving you deals, ambassador deals, brand deals. They're now inviting you for a show and you forget me, then you die. Because your master that brought you now has abandoned you. Take. You know the chop plantain? Fast. See food. So if food look like hey, there's one food. Oh, hey, there's this snack that we used to eat. Granola. Granola. Yeah, take. Olodo. Why you throw it? Let's prepare noodles with me. Very, very spicy noodles. My egg is on fire. Baby, wallah, mashallah. Ayo, mashallah. Ayo, mashallah. I chopped my onions, grinded my pepper. Now it's time to cook. And my water is boiling. The other one has egg inside. I don't know. Nasisime posted. I don't know if it's a real post, but I saw a post saying that it's not good to cook your egg in rice, and I felt like okay. I don't know. I didn't research about it, but I'll research. So I don't know why. We have been doing all this while since we were born, and we did not die. But since then, I've just been careful. I don't like breaking. Oh, that looks small. I'm done cooking. It's time to eat, and this is it. Yep. Sardine, carrot and cabbage, eggs. But it's 2 eggs. I just divided it into that amount. Bon appetit and water. No.